Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to filter out values from an array while also keeping track of the removed elements. This is useful in cases where we need to process discarded data separately. Let's dive in. This function allows us to not only remove unwanted elements, but also retrieve them, which can be useful for auditing or rollback operations. This function efficiently filters out unwanted elements while keeping track of them in a separate array, making it useful for structured data processing. This approach ensures that the array is modified in place, while also allowing us to track which elements were removed. By keeping the elements separate, we maintain a useful data that can be analyzed or restored later if needed. This function has many practical applications, such as data cleanup, undo functionality, and UI list management, where removed items need to be stored temporarily. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to filter an array dynamically while keeping track of removed elements. Try implementing this technique in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.